We will undertake a full assessment over the coming weeks, but initial reports have identified a number of positive aspects, as well as some areas where lessons need to be learned. While the majority of local councils and utility companies responded effectively, the response of a few left room for improvement. All received early warning from the Met Office and the Environment Agency that severe weather was on its way, and the government contacted all local authorities in England to ensure that all possible action was taken to support households that have been affected and to ensure local emergency plans and out-of-hours help was in place to give immediate assistance. My department contacted the Association of British Insurers and was assured that the CEOs of all member companies would get loss adjusters to affected properties rapidly, and the ABI have also ensured that guidance is provided on what those affected across the UK should be doing with regard to their insurance. People have a right to a reliable energy network, and despite the sequence of major storms that have hit the country over the past few months, the electricity network operators deserve credit for their hard work to reconnect an unprecedented number, some 700,000 properties, within hours and in time for Christmas. But there are lessons to be learned about how customers are supported and informed during power cuts. And we welcome the additional compensation some operators have announced and acknowledge the response of some companies could have been better. The best performing companies set a high standard, and I would like all companies to be able to meet it. The Secretary of State for Energy and Climate Change is meeting with distribution network operators and Ofgem to discuss how response can be improved for future events. Flood management is a real priority for this government. It has a vital role to play in protecting people and property from their damage caused by flooding and in delivering economic growth. Over the current spending review period, more is being spent than ever before. In addition, from 2015 to 16 onwards, we will be making record levels of investment in capital projects. We will invest £370 million in 2015-16, and then the same in real terms each year, rising to over £400 million in 2021, a record investment. This will reduce the risk of flooding to a further 300,000 households, and this is on top of the 165,000 households protected during the current spending round. Mr. Speaker, I would like to express this House's sympathy to all those affected by the floods, and I convey my profound thanks to all those involved in responding across the UK.